How Men Fall in Love. Psychology of the Male Brain in Love. In the realm of human emotions, love stands as a universal experience, yet it manifests uniquely across the genders. The journey of falling in love, especially from a male perspective, is a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors that intrigue and perplex many. Drawing on years of personal experience, research, and the illuminating insights of Dr. Helen Fisher, a renowned biological anthropologist, we delve into the intricacies of male love psychology. This exploration aims to unravel the layers of what goes on in the minds and hearts of men as they traverse the stages of love, offering a guide to understanding the nuanced dynamics of male affection and attachment. As we embark on this exploration of love's labyrinth, it becomes evident that understanding the journey requires dissecting the stages that compose this complex emotion. Let us begin by delving into the biological and psychological odyssey that is the stages of love, laying the foundational understanding necessary for navigating the intricacies of male affection. The stages of love. A biological and psychological odyssey. The process of falling in love can be segmented into three distinct stages: lust, attraction, and attachment. These stages serve as milestones in the emotional and psychological journey of love, each characterized by specific hormonal and neurochemical activities. Stage 1. Lust, the initial spark. The ballet of human connection commences with the intense flames of lust, acting as the dramatic prelude to the intricate performance of love. This initial act is driven by the powerful surge of testosterone and estrogen, hormones that weave through the essence of both men and women, kindling a fervent yearning for physical closeness. This stage, vibrant with an almost electric hunger for intimacy, plays a critical role in nature's grand design, acting as a magnetic force that draws individuals together, hinting at the possibility of future unions and the continuation of life itself. Within this tempest of desire, however, there's a whispered hint of something far more profound. Lust, with its fierce and untamed energy, serves not only to ignite the flames of attraction but also to lay down the delicate groundwork for the evolution of emotional ties. It's here, amidst the chaos of passion, that the seeds of a deeper bond are sown, suggesting that beneath the surface of immediate gratification, there lies the potential for a rich, unfolding narrative of love. This phase, therefore, stands not merely as the catalyst for physical union but as the nuanced beginning of a journey towards emotional depth and mutual discovery, marking the dawn of love's complex and beautiful odyssey. Stage 2. Attraction, the emotional intensification. As individuals navigate away from the initial blaze of lust, they embark on a captivating journey towards the realm of deep attraction, where the seeds of romantic love start to flourish. This spellbinding stage engulfs the soul, channeling a torrent of energy and laser-focused attention onto the object of one's affection. The brain, in its role as an alchemical wizard, concocts a potent brew of norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin, crafting an elixir so powerful it rivals the most addictive substances known to humanity. Within this tempest of desire, the mere thought of the beloved becomes an obsession, a craving that can't be quenched, driving an insatiable hunger for their presence. To be with them, to share in their laughter and bask in their gaze, becomes a source of unmatched joy, transforming ordinary moments into a kaleidoscope of emotional intensity. Each second spent together is infused with a spectrum of feelings, from the deepest blues of longing to the brightest yellows of joy, painting the canvas of life with the indelible colors of love. This phase is more than just attraction. It's a journey into the heart of what it means to deeply connect with another soul, making every heartbeat a testament to the power of love. Stage 3. Attachment, the bond deepens. In the tranquil harbor of attachment, love finds its enduring sanctuary, evolving into a deep, steadfast bond that promises longevity. This stage heralds the reign of oxytocin and vasopressin, the heralds of attachment, weaving a tapestry of profound contentment and unwavering security between partners. Here, love transcends the ephemeral, rooting itself in the fertile soil of mutual trust and shared dreams, becoming the cornerstone of committed relationships. It is in this nurturing cradle that the seeds of future legacies are sown, fostering the growth of families and the intertwining of souls in the sacred dance of lifelong companionship. Having charted the terrain through the stages of lust, attraction, and attachment, the intricate dance of chemicals orchestrating these phases emerges as the next critical piece of the puzzle. The transition from a fleeting desire to a profound emotional bond is not merely emotional but deeply rooted in our biology. The chemical dance of love. Understanding the biochemistry. Setting sail on the profound journey of love, we navigate through a complex ocean of biochemical forces, where the undercurrents of our emotions, decisions, and actions are deftly steered by a delicate balance of hormones. In the initial rush of attraction, testosterone reigns supreme, igniting the flames of desire with its potent, primal energy. This raw attraction lays the foundation for what is to come, drawing two souls together in a dance as old as time itself. However, as the voyage progresses, the scenery changes. The storm of lust gives way to the serene landscape of deep emotional connection, where oxytocin, the hormone of bonding, takes the helm. With a soft but steadfast hand, it knits together the hearts of lovers, creating a bond as enduring as the stars. This shift marks a pivotal chapter in the saga of love, transitioning from the thrilling chase of initial attraction to the comforting haven of true emotional attachment. This evolution reflects the multifaceted nature of love in men, showcasing its ability to grow from a fleeting spark into a lasting beacon of warmth and light. It's a journey that delves into the very core of what it means to love and be loved, highlighting the beautiful complexity and enduring power of the human heart's capacity for love. While the biochemical underpinnings of love provide a scientific backdrop to our emotional experiences, they also bring to light the myths and misconceptions surrounding male love psychology. It's time to unravel these myths and reveal the nuanced reality of how men truly experience love, beyond the simplistic narratives often portrayed. Debunking myths. The truth about men and love. The narrative of love, often viewed through a reductive prism, leads to the misbelief that men's hearts are steered predominantly by the winds of physical longing. This oversimplified view renders love as a straightforward journey from the initial spark of lust to the serene shores of attachment, overlooking the intricate layers and profound depth that characterize true masculine affection. In contrast, the essence of genuine love weaves through the rich fabric of time, emotional depth, and harmonious understanding, far transcending the mere physical realm. The prevalent myth, positioning the bedroom as the battleground for men's love, is challenged by the enlightening shadow of the Coolidge effect. This phenomenon serves as a cautionary tale, showing how hastened physical intimacy may obscure the potential for deeper, more meaningful connections to flourish. Through this lens, love is revealed not as a linear path but as a complex landscape, where the true connection is cultivated in the soil of mutual respect, emotional investment, and patience. Such an understanding illuminates the profound reality of love, where its true essence emerges not from superficial attraction but from the deep, intertwined roots of genuine, heartfelt connection. With the myths surrounding male love psychology addressed, the journey into personal reflections offers a ground-level view of these concepts in action. These anecdotes and personal experiences serve not only as validation of the complexities discussed but also as a bridge to understanding the profound impact of genuine emotional connections. Personal reflections. Beyond casual encounters. Infusing personal narratives into the discourse on love breathes life and authenticity into the abstract, crafting a mosaic of genuine human experiences. It draws a vivid line between the fleeting euphoria of casual liaisons and the rich tapestry of deep, meaningful connections that are cultivated over time. This exploration into the heart of relationships underscores the pivotal role of emotional bonds, challenging the notion that immediate, instinctual pleasures can fulfill the longing for a profound companionship. In a world where men are often swayed by the dual forces of societal expectations and primal urges, the art of patience, the pursuit of understanding, and the cultivation of emotional intimacy emerge as beacons of hope. These virtues pave the way toward relationships that not only endure but flourish, transforming the ephemeral into the eternal, and sowing the seeds for a love that is both enriching and everlasting. As we draw from personal experiences and navigate through the complexities of male love psychology, a transformative perspective on relationships begins to take shape. This journey underscores the significance of patience, understanding, and emotional depth in cultivating lasting bonds. Let's conclude by reflecting on how these insights can reshape our approach to love and relationships, fostering deeper connections and mutual understanding. Understanding the psychology of how men fall in love is crucial for navigating the complex terrain of relationships. By recognizing the stages of love, the biochemical factors at play, and the importance of emotional connections, individuals can approach relationships with greater empathy and insight. The journey of love is a nuanced, deeply personal experience that defies simple explanations or solutions. Yet, by embracing the complexities of male love psychology, we can foster deeper, more meaningful connections that endure the test of time. In conclusion, the exploration of male love psychology offers valuable insights into the emotional and biochemical dynamics of love. It challenges stereotypes and misconceptions, providing a more nuanced understanding of the male heart and mind. As we navigate our relationships, armed with this knowledge, we can cultivate deeper connections, understanding, and, ultimately, love.